Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In honor of Christmas, we're fixing this baby Jesus manger scene here. See, when you press this button here, a little light turns on there, but it's also supposed to basically have some narration. So I took the screws out of the bottom there. As you can see, here is the speaker right here and the circuit board. Basically, I was seeing if any of these solder points were broken, but this one magnet that goes on the back of the speaker was in there just rolling around. I could hear that too before I opened it up.
While shepherds were guarding their flocks at night, the land suddenly became bright with God's glory.
So if you take that off, it doesn't work anymore, but if you put it back on, you can hear the narration.
News ever announced. The Savior, the Messiah, has just been born in Bethlehem.
So what we're going to do is take some E6000, put a little bit of glue just around the edge, because it used to just be glued on anyway. And then it'll work. So if you guys are having any problems with your electronics, always open it up, check these solder points, see if there's just any, like a broken part, like this magnet rolling around. Pretty easy fix. Pretty happy to be able to fix this. Christmas is saved. Very happy about that. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Merry Christmas to everyone out there. I'll catch y'all next time.